Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is very famous and yummy starter, and it's a must on all the occasion, and it is known as chicken Shami Kabab. It's really yummy and it's really tasty. But before I proceed, please do subscribe to my channel and please press subscribe button. So for the ingredient for yummy chicken Shami Kabab is, of course, chicken. I'm using boneless chicken. You can use meat or beef if you like. Ginger garlic paste, chana dal. I have soaked it up for 40 minutes in water. Vegetable oil, 4 green chili, 4 red chili, dry red chili. Yeah, I'm going to have turmeric, black pepper, salt to taste, coriander powder, garam masala powder. I will also use 1 small onion. That is optional. If you don't like it, don't use it. I'm going to have 2 eggs. I will beat it up and keep it on the side. That's for frying, yeah, at the end. We don't need it for now. Now I'm going to take a pot, add up my chicken. Now if you're cooking meat or beef, you need a pressure cooker, but it's a chicken, it will cook in no time. Add up your dal. I have taken almost 2 cups of dal, chana dal. You can easily find in grocery stores. Dry red chili and green chili. Just add it up. I'm going to add up my dry spices. Coriander powder 3 teaspoons. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. I'm going to add up my turmeric, half teaspoon, and I'm going to use homemade garam masala powder, 2 teaspoons. Now you can find also garam masala ready-made in all the grocery stores around us, and 1 big teaspoon of salt. Now this is completely your call, it's according to your taste. Add up half cup of oil. The reason I'm adding oil is that I want it to get cooked up really well. I'm going to also add here ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons, and just give a nice mix. Mix. Keep on mixing it up. Now make sure that all the spices get mixed really well so that everything get cooked evenly. You don't want one side of the chicken is cooked and other side of the dal is uncooked. No. I'm also going to add up some onion. I have took 1 onion itself, and I'm just going to remove the flakes and keep it inside. Now close the lid and keep it for 15 minutes to get cooked. Look at that. This is how it look like. It look yummy. It smells delicious. I'm going to keep on mixing it up till the time all the water gets soaked up. Okay, so just leave it till the time all the water is gone. Look at that. This is how it look like. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it aside for it to get cooled down. It's completely ready now. I have no water left in my pot, and the chicken is already cooked. So I'm going to keep it aside to let it get cooled down, and once it's cooled down, I'm going to grind it up. Yeah, so now it's completely ready. I'm going to add up my coriander and just grind it up. Look at that, it's perfectly grind. Now if you like, you can also add cumin in this, cumin powder. I'm not adding it. It's completely perfect for me. Now I'm going to make a round shape. I'm using a little bit of oil to give a perfect shape. Now this much batter can make almost 15 Shami Kabab. Now this is completely depend on you how big or how small you want to make your Shami Kabab. Yeah, so look at that, it's completely ready. Now I'm going to coat up my all Shami Kabab in egg, and I'm going to keep my pan on the high flame. I have add almost 1 cup of oil to fry, and I'm going to start adding my Shami Kabab. So I'm coating it up with egg and I'm just frying it up. Yeah, nothing much. Just coat it up really well and start frying. Now the tip over here is that don't put water in your chicken while you're making it cooked, because if it gets sticky, your shami kebab will break. Your another tip is that when you're making it fry, don't turn unless and until it's ready. So look at that. Now when I'm turning it, it's already started getting red. You see, I'm not turning it very quick. So let it get cooked on one side and then turn it so it will not break. Otherwise your shami kebab will start breaking apart and it will be a disaster. Okay, so just be patient and try to fry it up really well. Look at that, that looks super yummy and is perfectly ready to serve. And this is how it looked like after serving. You can serve with lemon or mint chutney and it's perfect. I hope you like my recipe. This is perfect for your starter, for your lunch box, for your dinner, or in any special occasion. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.